We have 10 days to cross 140 kilometers of raw Canadian wilderness. We have no phone signal, no help, and we're already a day behind. This is what it's really like to take on an expedition like this. I'm Matt, and this is my son Hal. We wanted to take a break from our city lives, so we hopped on a plane and we flew from London to Canada. Then we took a long and very boring drive to catch a float plane into the wilderness to do battles with bears and squirrels.
Little fucker.
Join us on our 10-day expedition through the Canadian backcountry. You'll see some beautiful scenery, epic campsites, and expert-level fish handling.